Good morning, dear children. Myself, Teacher Anju. Hope you all are very safe and in good health. Today, children, we are going to learn a lesson of milk and milk product for Standard 10, Chapter 8, that is costing of milk and its nutritional level. Let's begin, children. The first one is one-to-one costing. Children, do you know in food industry the cost of the plate is decided according to the dish, that is platter, banquet, food item selected and the type of food selected. Banquet, it means children an elaborate and formal meal for many people, or it is a formal large meal where a number of people consume food together. Okay, now the next one is dish costing. Children, what is dish costing? First of all, for example, children, the dish should cost no more than a certain price. The dish should contain a certain ingredients or be a adaptation of other dishes also. Children, the cost of dish for the consumer is decided as per the amount that will be required to prepare that plate plus the profit also. The costing of the dish is also decided as per the financial condition of the consumer. Okay, the dish costing for consumer is done as per the higher class, upper middle class, lower class, depending on their financial condition. It means children, dish costing जो होता है वह कंज्यूमर के फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन पर डिपेंड करता है. How much they have to. Okay. Next one is, if the cost of the dish, that is per plate, is more and it is not be possible for the consumer to include it for parties or maybe wedding or other events, you can say, children, then dish costing makes no sense. Now children, there are certain steps for dish costing. Let's see, children, one by one. The first one is determine the procedure that will be needed to make the milk product. So children, procedure is must necessary. Okay. Secondly, make a proper list of the ingredients along with the cost of the ingredients. So children, हम लोगों को एक लिस्ट तैयार करना चाहिए इंग्रेडिएंट्स का और उसी के साथ में इंग्रेडिएंट्स का कॉस्ट भी लिखा होना चाहिए. Okay, in that list, in short we can say. Next we have to write down the names of the ingredients and their quantity and also mention the date of preparation on the front side of the costing sheet. Okay. While carrying out steps on milk for preparing the milk product, the ingredients names with quantity should be mentioned. Next one, children, when cost of the ingredients is written, total cost up to 3 decimal places should be taken into consideration. The children, total amount should be mentioned in rupees or paise. Finally, children, the cost should be considered up to 2 decimal places, and after calculating the cost of the dish, that is the profit under consideration, should be added to the cost of the dish. Now children, the next one is costing sheet. You can see one table is given. This is table of costing sheet. Now children, what is costing sheet first of all? A cost sheet is a statement that shows the various components of the total cost for a product and shows the previous data for comparison. Even it provides information relating to cost per unit at different stages of the total cost production. Now children, here you can see the costing sheet of milk product, that is vermicelli kheer. Let's see children the weight, unit, ingredients, cost, quantity and total cost for making vermicelli kheer. So the first we require a 500-gram milk. Its cost rupees 50. Quantity of milk is, that is half liter, and the total cost is rupees 25. Second, we require 100-gram sugar. Cost is rupees 40 and quantity is 100 gram, and the total cost is 4, only 4. Next we require 50-gram vermicelli. Its cost is about 80 and quantity is 50 gram, and the total cost is 8 only. Next is there will be 25-gram Karoli. Its cost is about 900 and the quantity it is in kilo. Okay, kilo, that you have to remember, and the total cost is 22. And the last we require 150-gram ghee. Its cost is 350 and the quantity is in kilo, and the total cost you can see that is 52. So children, here the total parts of total cost is 111, that is 111. Okay students. Now children, banquet costing. While deciding banquet costing, the costing of the food item should be decided. Then the profit is added while fixing the banquet costing for the consumer. Okay children? Children, do you know? We can find out the nutritional constituent present in the milk in two ways. Okay? The first one is the nutrients present in the milk products can be decided by testing food product in the laboratory. A chart showing the nutritional constituent in the food product with a chart. Okay, now we'll see children. The first step is the scientific way of finding the nutritional content of the milk product. Children, it is correct but expensive. Expensive, it means children it is very costly and it takes time also. It requires efforts as well to separate the nutrients from the milk product. Nutrients, it means children a substance or ingredient that promotes growth, provide energy and maintains life. The second step is easy to follow children. Now children, it's time for recap what we have learned in this lesson so far. So far children, we have learned about first one is one-to-one costing. We have studied about the dish costing and step for dish costing. We have also done the banquet costing. Students, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you. Stay safe.